right, guys, we are going to look at assignment 7.2.4 discussion. There is a excerpt from a story, and I am going to read it to you to help you understand what is going on. All right, so if you can see, we are on our discussion time, and right away it says, Big Brother is watching you. Read the excerpt of the opening passage to one of the most famous books ever, then follow the instructions for the discussion. The book is 1984 by George Orwell, and here is the excerpt. It was a bright, cold day in April, and the clocks were striking 13. Winston Smith, his chin nuzzled into his breast in an effort to escape the vile wind, slipped quickly through the glass doors of Victory Mansions, though not quickly enough to prevent a swirl of gritty dust from entering along with them. The hallway smelt of boiled cabbage and old rag mats. At one end of it, a colored poster, too large for indoor display, had been tacked to the wall. It depicted simply an enormous face more than a meter wide, the face of a man of about 45, with a heavy black mustache and ruggedly handsome features. Winston made for the stairs. It was no use trying the lift. That's an elevator. It was part of the economy drive in preparation for Hate Week. The flat was 7 flights up. Flat means his apartment. The flat was 7 flights up, which means 7 stories, 7 stories up. And Winston, who was 39, had a varicose ulcer above his right ankle, which means he had like a painful sore on his ankle. Went slowly, resting. So let me start that one. Who was 39, had a varicose ulcer above his right ankle. Went slowly, resting several times on the way. On each landing, which means on the next floor, opposite the lift shaft, opposite the elevator, the poster with the enormous face gazed from the wall. It was one of those pictures which are so contrived that the eyes follow you about when you move. Big Brother is watching you, the caption beneath it ran. There seemed to be no color in anything except the posters that were plastered everywhere. Outside, even through the shut window pane, the world looked cold. Down in the street, little eddies of wind were whirling dust and torn paper into spirals. And though the sun was shining and the sky a harsh blue, there seemed to be no color in anything except the posters that were plastered everywhere. The black, mustachioed face gazed down from every commanding corner. There was one on the house front immediately opposite. Big Brother is watching you, the caption said, while the dark eyes looked deep into Winston's own. Down at street level, another poster torn at one corner flapped fitfully in the wind, alternately covering and uncovering the single word, Ingsoc. In the far distance, a helicopter skimmed down between the roofs, hovered for an instant like a blue bottle, and darted away again with a curving flight. It was the police patrol, snooping into people's windows. The patrols did not matter, however, only the thought police mattered. Now here's your discussion question. How does this passage relate to life in the Soviet Union under Stalin's dictatorship? Please make sure to answer in 3 to 5 full sentences and respond to 2 others' posts. All right, guys, this is all I have for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, go ahead and give me a ring-a-ding, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.